ní 29 of June 2023. Ṣorí tá bá sọ fún yín pé Nàìjíríà kò lè work torí pé àwọn politicians yìí wọ̀ nífẹ̀ẹ́ yín. Ṣorí gbogbo tó ń wò yìí school làwọn ọmọ òun ni a ti gba gbogbo eléyìí. Ṣorí gbogbo tó ń wò yìí gbogbo tó ń wò yìí nísìn eléyìí ó máa kó ìjọ èyí tó bá fẹ́ jẹ́ náà ó yẹ nísìn wàá mú as much as possible, so àwa mú wá sílé wàá fi ṣe tó bá ń wọ̀n yogurt lélẹ́yìí, soup lélẹ́yìí, búrẹ́dì lélẹ́yìí, bí cucumber, tomato àti crisps, until tí o bá ní message pé Nigeria is not ready to support as many people as there's so much inflation around the world. So every little is helping. If the school can donate this free, you don't have to pay for it, right? The school gives this for free. I hope those of you in Nigeria, during this very difficult time, you will get somebody that will be able to tell you that your politicians for 24 years refuse to make food available across the 774 local government. This is Koiki Media, bringing the world closer to your doorstep. Once again, today is the 29th day of June 2023. As I said, all these were given in the school, as you can see it, and they'll be useful, even if it's going to last just for a few days. Every little helps. Koiki Media, bringing the world closer to your doorsteps.